Hi guys, and welcome back to Buy Direct Online. In today's short video, I'm just going to show you the steps of how to fit height adjustable arms to your office chair. This works typically for our office chairs, but it also can work for most of the office chairs in the market today. It's a very simple process, and mostly when we send out our office chairs with arms, often they'll come with the pad not attached. Sometimes it is attached, depends on the manufacturing process. So as you can see, you've got an arm pad and you've got your bracket, your height adjustable bracket there, and that just goes on like so. And I'll see if I can demonstrate this for you. It's a fairly short screw, so make sure you've got the short screw, and one in one side, one on the other. You might want to do this on a bench, and you can use a screwdriver, or you can use a battery drill like we are today. They do come as a Phillips head or an Allen key. There's many different types and ways that they come, so you just want to make sure you've got it lined up straight there, and in we go. Hopefully you can see this fairly clearly. You can see just going up there, tightening that up. You just want to make sure that it's tight. There we go. So that's fitting the bracket to the pad. Fairly simple process. Now we're going to fix it, obviously the arm to the chair. Now you've got these three bolts here. Sometimes there's plastic around it. You may need to trim the plastic back, but we try to make it so that those bolts are quite easy accessible, because you may purchase the chair without arms and then want to put on arms at a later date, which then obviously makes it easy to do. So we've got our bolts here, position it over the top, and just with this, it's nice to just get the bolts in, sort of get them started by hand. That way then you're not, there's no worry or problem of cross-threading. And you might notice I've made it easy here myself. I've put the chair on another chair. You might want to put it on a bench of some sort. You just got to allow for the arm when you're doing this. It's just, rather than trying to do it on the ground and actually fighting against the arm hitting the ground. So it's just easier to do it that way. So as you can see, this one here, a little bit tighter, so you just want to wobble it around. Yep, I can feel the thread starting. Nice, so that's good. Alright, so we've got our battery drill. We're obviously using one with an Allen key driver, and we'll just fit these in. You don't have to go up tight straight away, just pop them in. There we go. Now these arms are actually got an adjustment, so you can have them in or out depending on obviously the positioning and where you would like them, if you want them a bit wider or closer in. So we'll just pop them about there for this video, and then you can just nip them up. Just do them up reasonably tight. You don't want them coming loose. It's actually good to check your bolts from time to time, just to make sure that they are not coming loose. So while we're doing this, we'll just make sure that, yep, that one's good. Just that they do work loose over time, so it's just good to do a little bit of maintenance. Alright, so we've got that one done. We'll just swing this around so that you can see what we're doing. And here we have the other armrests. Generally they come with 3 bolts. So that's the general process. So once again, we'll just get them started. There we go. So quite simple. And once again, they could be a Phillips head, they could be an Allen key. There's a few different types of bolts that are used. There's no reason to use either one. It just depends on the driver you've got and the bolts. So once again, we'll just leave it a little bit loose as we clear that up, position it similar to the other one. So we just push it in a little bit and then tighten that up, and there we go. So now we have fitted arms to our task chair. As you can see, there's the arms there, and These are a height adjustable arm, just with a little pistol grip. So yeah, so very simple process. Trust this video is helpful and shows you how to attach arms to an office chair. Any questions you may have, please reach out to us, and thanks very much for watching.